agradecer porque tú has sido siempre fiel. Yo sé que nunca me dejarás.
Okay, I'm making a little video here, and we're saying.
You have to give it more. There we go. There. Now we're talking. There we go.
Here's my dad.
Hello.
And we're kind of walking around. There's my backyard.
You can walk over there by the beach or something. You can walk by the beach.
Okay. And here we are going to the ditch. And there's my ditch. And kind of embarrassing, but must be so full embarrassing. Kind of embarrassing. See? So here we go back to my backyard. And then here we are.
How was it?
Good.